Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at random hands. And it didn't take me long to go into our random hands before I found one. In fact, I think it was the first one I played. And I wanted to talk about what's wrong about it and what went wrong about it. And it's these simple hands that if we can get them right, we're going to do very well. The low level contracts. And I've moved the hand around so that we can discuss it. But the way I've moved it, North opened one club and it went pass, and we, South, would naturally just bid one heart. And partner bid one spade. That's the first question that I have for you. Have you worked out with your partner when the bidding goes like this? You open a club and then you bid a spade. Does this mean 5 clubs and 4 spades, or 4 clubs and 4 spades, or not even necessarily 4 clubs? So it's something to discuss with your partner, because it used to be that everyone had 5 clubs and 4 spades to bid like that. And if they didn't, they would have rebid a no trump. But these days it's popular not to need so many clubs. Anyway, over this, what on earth do we do? We can't bid 2 hearts because we don't have a 6-card suit. So we're sort of stuck. We've just got to bid 1 no trump. And that's where the hand plays. So they lead the 2 of diamonds. What are our chances? Our chances look pretty good. And we've got 4 spade winners, 2 heart winners of 6, a club to develop for 7, and who knows what can happen. We're not sure what that diamond lead is from, but we'll soon see. And in fact, they've led from a 3-card suit. If we look really carefully, we'll notice that our 9 of diamonds is a winner now. They're switching to clubs and they'll probably take their 2 top clubs. Yes, they did. And we could be in bad shape, but not really, because we'll throw a heart away. So we've won that. And in fact, we've now got 4 winning beautiful spades, and we've got 2 hearts and the 9 of diamonds that the opponents kindly turned into a winner for us. But the robot, when I watched the hand and in the random hands, the robot played it not very well. I'll have to speak to those robots, because they did this. They crossed over to the spade in order to take the heart finesse. Well, why you would do that, I have no idea. They played the jack, it lost to the queen. Now came the club winners. And a spade to the queen, and we've got the rest. But this hand could have been a lot better, could have been played a lot better. So let's go through the possibilities. North opens 1 club. This hand, it's got a nice opening hand, but it can't double because it's got too many clubs and the wrong shape. You should never make a takeout double of a minor if you don't have at least 4-3 in the majors. So they had to pass. We bid a heart. Now, I wouldn't recommend a spade up here. I think 4 3-3 hands, you should rebid 1 no trump. I like to have at least 4 clubs and 4 spades before I rebid a spade, having opened a club. So over 1 no trump, I think this hand, South, would have now said, well, I can't bid 2 hearts, but I can show a second suit. And after opener has rebid 1 no trump, which is a minimum, it wouldn't be forcing to bid 2 diamonds. So you would bid 2 diamonds, and this hand had probably bid 2 hearts. But if we were in 2 hearts, we would still have trouble making this hand. we would lose 3 diamond tricks, 2 club tricks, and if we took the heart finesse, we would lose another trick. But if we were in 2 hearts, the opponents might have trouble trying to find a lead. And if they led a lead that was helpful to us, which is not a diamond and not a club, if they led a heart or a spade, they would make all our troubles would go away, because we would be able to discard losers. And if they led it trump, we would run it around to the king. So these are very delicate hands, but South should have definitely made 1 no trump, and they should have these East-West take 3 diamond tricks and then 2 club tricks, and then they switched. Well, we should win the club and take 4 spade tricks. That's 5, 6, 7, and we've got the diamond as well. So the opponents could have taken 3 diamond tricks and 2 top clubs are 5, and that's all they would have taken if we'd played the hand carefully. So just again, let me say that these low-level hands, particularly something like 1 no trump, they're so hard to play, but you want to look at your definite winners, try to work out what they've led from, and go for it. Have a great week, everyone.